Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to order Binance Visa Card and use any of the country very easily. So what is the process and how to apply Binance Visa Card and get within a 10 days. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here your Binance wallet and just simply sign up. So here I already sign up. For the ordering point of view, you need to complete your identification KYC. This is a mandatory for the particular region. Currently I am living in Denmark, so I completed here. I am put it here my bank statement in Danish and then verify my account. So now we'll apply the as a Visa card. So here finance options are available. Inside the finance, Binance Visa Card options are available. You just simply click here and look at this. Welcome to Binance Visa Card. Get start. After clicking the get start, which types of name you want in your card, like Sangram Singh Kaite or just initial. So I go with the full name. Next, you add your PIN here using the withdrawal or shopping point of view. So I am adding here my PIN and look at this here. Here is my address, mobile number, everything is completed here. I confirm, agree and just simply order. Now look at this, your virtual card is ready for you. Add a virtual card, Google Play and Samsung Pay shop and online while prepare shop your physical card. It's very simple. Virtual card within a second they are providing me, but as a physical card they are sending me within 10 days. So look at this, here is my virtual card is ready. Here is the number is going on, processing is going on. After some times I am receiving here my virtual card very easily. Daily shopping limit is 870 euro, is a huge number. Its processing is going on. So it's very simple to order your Binance. Your Binance physical card is on the way. You must be use your Binance virtual card in physical arrival. If you are emergency, you can right now use the virtual card, but as a Binance physical card take time as around 1 to 2 weeks. So it's very simple to apply Binance Visa Card. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.